Blog, what's good, blog? We're back here at my house. Today we're gonna be installing a front lip from MP Concepts onto an s650. This is my boy Leo's car right here. Things clean, s650 as well. I think he's got the same front lip, but this is a performance package. That's what we're gonna be installing on this bad boy over here. I'm gonna give you guys a review on it and everything, and the installation process, see if it's hard and how long it took us. We got the front lip right here. This is what it's gonna go on. This S550 or S650 right here. We're gonna be installing. There's the boy Leo, the mechanic. He's about to jack it up, so stay watching. All right, guys, we got the car up in the air right now. We're gonna go through the installation process. I'll go step by step. That way, in case you guys do decide to get the same one for your S650, at least you guys have a video tutorial extra. But it should go right under there when I mount that bad boy in. All right, guys, the first thing you want to do is start off with taking off the screws right here. You probably want a drill. It makes it a lot easier because there's about 22 in total or so. So you'd probably rather have that instead of doing it by hand. After that, I'll cut over to the next part of the process, but that's the very beginning of it. All right, guys. So we were able to get that front lip off. There's the undercarriage, just that stock lip. This is what your car should look like after. We got bolts everywhere. I gotta get those situated so I don't lose them, but this is what we got going on. The undercarriage, make sure you guys take everything off. Also, if you guys look inside right there, you guys, depending on what type of model S650 you have, you would have to take that off as well right there. Not the full undercarriage, but that's what we got working right now. So yeah, there it is, guys. Then I'll show you guys the rest of the process and then give you guys that review on the material and everything. Looks pretty good so far. MP Concepts coming in clutch. All right, guys, also I wanted to show you guys the MP Concept lip right here. All one piece, no belting, just plug and play, basically plug and play. There's our old lip. We're gonna get rid of that one, and then here's the new one. Show you guys the before and after too of the car as well. That way you guys can take a look at what it did look like, and then with the lip, and see if you guys decide, hey, do I want to get this one or not? Get the boy Leo right there while I blog it. He's putting it in. You guys just gotta basically line it up and make it into those little holes that are right there. So it's just plug and play, and then you slip it back on.
Doing free labor, guys.
Free labor too. Free labor for some Dutch bros.
Fuck the Dutch bros.
So yeah, just that easy right there. Just plug it in or put it in, and you're all good. Watch, there we go. The little hole, you just gotta line it up with it. With the holes, and you're good. Let's see.
Go.
There it is. So it's easy as 1, 2, 3. There we go. This is what it's looking now. Makes it look a lot meaner for sure. Woo. All right, there we go, blog. Here's the final product from MP Concepts on the s650 Mustang right here. You guys go. Honestly, installation and everything was pretty easy. It's definitely time consuming. I've probably been at it for 2 hours just because I did mess up and forgot to put some of the clips in, and then I bolted the whole skid pad or the whole skid plate. I was supposed to put bolt the lid and then the rest. That's what messed me up right there, but it should be good. We're good. The car is done. It does look a lot better now. Makes it look a lot more aggressive, a lot more meaner on the front end. So I'd give MP Concepts on this front lip installation 5 out of 10. Time consuming, I say like a 8 out of 10. It was super easy to install. My friend over there, Leo, with the same Mustang over there, he helped us out, so we got it done. If you guys have any questions or anything, you're like, hey, I can't get this done, drop it down in the comments or text me on Instagram at 50Brian, and I'll help you guys out. Take care, guys, and I hope this installation was easy for you guys.